Have you ever wondered about the people who walked alongside the Prophet Muhammad? These weren't just ordinary men and women. They were the Sahaba, the companions, and their stories of faith, courage, and dedication continue to inspire millions around the world. Even centuries later, their lives are a testament to how powerful belief and righteous action can be. Today, let us explore a few of these incredible stories that show us what it truly means to live a life of purpose. Let's start with Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, the Prophet's closest friend. When the Prophet first received revelation, many were doubtful, but Abu Bakr, he believed without a moment's hesitation, earning him the title as Siddiq, the truthful one. During the perilous migration to Medina, he stood by the Prophet's side in a cave while their enemies searched just outside. His loyalty was unwavering, a powerful reminder of what true friendship looks like. Then there's the story of Umar ibn al-Khattab, initially a fierce opponent of Islam. His heart was completely transformed after hearing the words of the Qur'an. He went from being an enemy to one of its greatest champions. His leadership as the second caliph was marked by an incredible sense of justice. He would famously walk the streets at night to check on his people, ensuring no one was hungry or in need. His story teaches us that anyone, no matter their past, can change and become a force for immense good. And we can't forget Khadija bint Khuwaylid, the Prophet's first wife. She was a successful businesswoman, wise and respected. When the Prophet was shaken by his first revelation, she was his rock. She comforted him, believed in him, and spent her vast wealth to support the early Muslim community. Khadija's story highlights the crucial role of women in Islam and shows the power of support, love, and unwavering faith. These are just a few glimpses into the lives of the Sahaba. Their stories aren't just history, they are timeless lessons in integrity, sacrifice, and devotion. They show us that with strong faith and good character, we too can leave a positive mark on the world. Thanks for watching. If these stories inspired you, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content that uplifts the soul. See you next time.